Vicks NyQuil capsule. This combination medication is used to temporarily treat symptoms caused by the common cold, flu, allergies, or other breathing illnesses, such as sinusitis, bronchitis. Temporarily relieves common cold and flu symptoms, including cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation, sore throat, headache, minor aches and pains, fever, runny nose and sneezing. NyQuil relieves your cold symptoms so you can sleep better. Active ingredients. Dextromethorphan is cough suppressant that affects a certain part of the brain, reducing the urge of cough. Acetaminophen is a non-aspirin pain reliever and fever reducer. Antihistamines help relieve watery eyes, itchy eyes, nose, throat, runny nose and sneezing. Uses. Temporarily relieves common cold flu symptoms. Cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation, sore throat, headache, minor aches and pains, fever, runny nose and sneezing. Do not use with any other drug containing acetaminophen, prescription or non-prescription. If you are not sure whether a drug contains acetaminophen, ask a doctor or pharmacist. To make a child sleep. Ask a doctor before use if you have liver disease, glaucoma, cough that occurs with too much phlegm, mucus, a breathing problem or chronic cough that lasts or occurs with smoking, asthma, chronic bronchitis or emphysema, trouble urinating due to enlarged prostate gland. Directions. Take only as directed. Do not exceed 4 doses per 24 hours. Adults and children 12 years and over. 2 leaky cups with water every 6 hours. Children 4 to under 12 years. Ask a doctor. Children under 4 years do not use. Side effects. Drowsiness, dizziness, blurred vision, upset stomach, nausea, constipation, or dry mouth, nose, throat may occur. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly.